Woke up tired but I barely slept. Got a war in my chest, I ain't won yet. Mirror says you're fine but it's counterfeit. Yeah, I fake that smile till my face don't fit. Phone lights up but I let it die. Ain't got the strength for another lie. Yeah, I'm good, yeah, I say it quick, while I'm sinking deep in the thick of it. Every little thought turns into a storm. Every safe place don't feel like home. I try to breathe but I lose control, like I'm fighting something nobody knows. It's getting loud in my head again. Voices telling me I won't win. Heartbeat racing like I can't escape. Every step feels like it's too late. I'm so tired of this war inside. Try to run but there's nowhere to hide. If I scream, would it make it end, or just echo back in my head again? Yeah, I'm pacing in a room that don't change. Same walls, same thoughts, just a different day. Got a million conversations in my brain, but the second I speak, they just fade away. And they tell me breathe, yeah, I tried that too, but my chest still tight like it's tied in knots. I'm overthinking every little move, like I'm one wrong step from losing all I got. And I hate how I question what I feel like. Is it even real or am I just weak? But the pain don't lie, yeah, it cuts too deep when you're fighting yourself every time you think. Cancel plans, yeah, I stay inside. Same four walls, but they feel too tight. Everybody says just give it time, but time don't heal what you try to hide. Handshake when I walk in the room, like they all see right through the wounds. I left it off, play it cool somehow, but I'm barely even breathing now. Every little noise feels way too much. Every small thing cuts too rough. I try to stand but my knees go weak, like the ground disappears under me. It's getting loud in my head again. Voices telling me I won't win. Heartbeat racing like I can't escape. Every step feels like it's too late. I'm so tired of this war inside. Try to run but there's nowhere to hide. If I scream, would it make it end, or just echo back in my head? Yeah, I'm running but I'm stuck in place. Same fears, same thoughts that I can't erase. Got a mask on tight, gotta hide my face, cause I don't wanna let them see me break. And I push everybody far away, even ones that really wanna stay, cause it's easier to be alone and explain why I feel this way. And I know that it's all in my head, but that don't mean it don't feel real. Try to fight it, try to silence it, but it's louder every time I heal. I'm exhausted from the war inside, every night just trying to survive. If I make it through one more day, that's a win that I can't deny. I don't need you to fix my pain, just sit with me in the pouring rain. Say you see me, don't turn away, even when I don't know what to say, cause I'm scared that this is all I'll be. A shadow of who I used to see, but there's a spark underneath the fear. Whispers you're still here, you're still here. If I let you in, would you stay or leave? Would you see the worst parts of me? I've been building walls I can't break down. Now I'm trapped inside what I built around, but there's something smart that won't give up, even when I feel like I've had enough. Like a voice that's saying don't let go, even when I'm lower than I've been before. Maybe I bend but I don't break, even on my worst days. Yeah, it's loud in my head again, but I'm louder than it's ever been. Heartbeat racing but I'm still here. Even drowning I make it through the fear. I'm so tired but I'm still fighting. Through the dark I feel a light in me. If I scream maybe it won't end, but I'll learn how to breathe again. Yeah, I'll learn how to breathe again, even with the noise in my head.
Kasih kita merupakan titik pusat alam semesta.
praise, like it's scared of the shape I became. The walls don't breathe, they just observe, like they're carving my sins into words. Mama don't speak, she just looks away, like she's seen what I won't say. Daddy's shadow still sits in the chair, like something's been living in the air. And this town feels buried alive, like it's learned how to survive by pretending it never saw what crawled through the cracks in the law. I don't sleep, I slip below, where the quiet things I already know. Every thought turns black and thin, like something's whispering under my skin. There ain't no angel lifting me, just something hollow pretending to breathe. I traded heaven for something worse. Now I speak in a buried curse, so I walk through fire that knows my name, like I was born inside the flame. I'm not lost, I'm not whole, I'm not free, just a vessel of what used to be. There was a boy with fevered eyes, swore forever in funeral lies, left me standing where candles die, in a room that learned how to lie. He smiled like a final sin, like he knew what was rotting within. And I should have felt the warning sign when his love felt like crossed out lines. Now every song feels baptized in pain, like it's washing me in something profane, reminding me I never escaped, just learned how to look the same. I don't break, I decay in place, like something lost in holy space. Every memory turns to smoke, like it was never meant to cope. There ain't no angel lifting me, just something hollow pretending to breathe. I traded heaven for something worse. Now I speak in a buried curse, so I walk through fire that knows my name, like I was born inside the flame. I'm not lost, I'm not whole, I'm not free, just a vessel of what used to be. Don't ask who I was before the fall, that version don't exist at all. If you hear me in the hollow night, that's just the dark learning my light. Now I kneel where the streetlights rock, and the place is time for God. Voices crawl through broken glass, saying nothing ever lasts. I talk to God, but the line is sealed, like heaven itself refused to feel. Maybe I was forged in the wrong domain, half salvation, half the stain. So I let it hollow me slow, till even my shadow won't go. No mercy, no name, no final grace, just something wearing my face. No rescue hymn, no angel call, just the sound of a quiet fall. And if I scream into the black, it kneels down and screams me back. There ain't no angel left in me, just something hollow pretending to breathe. I traded heaven for something worse. Now I speak in a buried curse, so I walk through fire that knows my name, like I was born inside the flame. I'm not lost, I'm not whole, I'm not free, just a vessel of what used to be. If I vanish before the morning bell, don't mistake it for heaven or hell. Some souls don't fall, they are made to fade and leave the dark with what they made.
Selama 1 tahun bumi beredar pada orbit di Mekah, pada 2 hari yang berbeda dalam setahun, matahari berada tepat di atas Kaaba.
There's a trouble in my chest, I never saw the light. Broken halos on the floor where I learned to bite. Every prayer tastes like dust on my tongue tonight. I don't kneel anymore, I just watch it die. Candles drip like veins down the altar stone. Whispers crawl through walls like they're not alone. I carved my name where the saints won't go. Now the silence sings like it's taking hold. I was born where the mercy never reached the door. Every blessing turned curse I can't ignore. Hear the choir hum, but it sounds like war. Every note pulls me further than before. And the sky don't open, it just folds in black. Like a mouth that's waiting and it won't give back. Every step I take leaves a deeper crack in a world that's already off the map. Drag me through the fire. Drag me through the fire, I don't wanna be clean. Let it brand every lie that I've ever seen. Bloodline written in a code I can't redeem. I'm awake, but I'm buried in a fever dream. No salvation in the sound of my name. Just a spark in a field of decay. If there's heaven, it forgot my face. So I dance with the sin I became. Stained glass eyes, watching everything I hide. Every shadow got teeth buried deep inside. There's a voice in my head, but it never guides. Just repeats every fault I denied. Hands in the dirt like I'm digging my past. Every memory breaks like it's made of glass. I try to run, but the night runs fast. Now it's stitched to my skin like a map. Flash falling slow like a quiet snow. Every flake got a piece of what I used to know. If there's grace, it was something I let go. Now the dark feels more like home. Hear the bells, but they ring out a key. Like they're calling something back for me. Every breath pulling deeper beneath where the guilt grows roots in my sleep. And the ground starts to shift below like it knows I don't belong above. Every scar starts to softly glow like a language read out aloud. Twisted, twisted. Bury me under the weight of my sins. Let it echo where it all begins. Every scream just caves back into the hollow that I live within. I don't need light, I don't need grace. Just the dark staring into my face. If I fall, I won't be saved. I'll just sink into what I made. If there's a God, he don't say my name. Just watches me drown in the blame. Every prayer I tried to fake turned to ash before it could break. There's a mirror, but it won't reflect. Just a shape I can't correct. Every piece I try to protect is the part that I neglect. Cathedral burning in my veins. No forgiveness, only stains. I was something once before. Now I'm less than evermore. Let the silence take the lead. Let it choke out what I need. chest going cold. Every story left untold. No redemption left to claim. Just the echo of my name. Turning into nothing.
I've been down low, felt the weight of it all. Lost in the darkness, couldn't hear my own call. Days blend together and nights feel the same. Caught in the silence, swallowed by pain. I've looked in the mirror, seen